We'll guide you through how to make straight lines in 𝗟𝗘𝗘𝗗𝗗. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by locating and opening 𝗟𝗘𝗘𝗗𝗗 on your desktop. Wait for the program to load completely, then find the Draw option on the main screen. Click the Draw button to open your work canvas and access the area where you can create artwork. Once the canvas is open, look at the menu located on the left side of the interface. In this menu, find the Figure tool and select it, as this tool is commonly used for creating straight lines and other precise shapes. Before drawing, you can customize the appearance of your lines. Increase the brush size by adjusting the size slider until you reach the thickness you want. You can also adjust the line opacity using the opacity slider, allowing the line to appear more transparent or more solid depending on your preference. Next, choose a brush shape that suits your project and style. Different brush shapes can create different visual results, so select the one that looks best for your needs. After that, adjust the anti-aliasing settings. Anti-aliasing helps smooth the edges of the line and can improve the overall appearance of your artwork. To set the line color, open the color settings and choose the color you would like to use. You can also make color adjustments using the color wheel located at the bottom of the interface. This provides another convenient way to select and refine colors. If needed, you can adjust the brush size again by using the available brush size template options. Once all settings are configured, move to your canvas to begin drawing. Click on the canvas and drag the tool across the area where you want the line to appear. As you drag, the Figure tool will create a straight line based on your movement and settings. You can make as many straight lines as required for your design, illustration, or sketch. After creating multiple lines and confirming that they look the way you want, the process is complete and your straight lines are ready to use.